real good. And then I also used this Chi Infra treatment for some extra heat protectant on my hair before I blow dry and straighten it. And this is where we're at right now. So for heat protectant, I'm going to be using the Chi 44 Iron Spray Guard, whatever. And I'm going to use a little bit of this just to help detangle. I'm just going to section off my hair and use all of those and blow dry it. And I'm going to speed it up with some music. So
who been on your mind? Who got your time? Who you been in your mind? Who you speak texting me, coming on me your sign?
okay, so I'm all done blow drying my hair. So I'm going to be using this straightener, and I'm also going to be using a hot comb just to get it as straight as possible. I know heat damage, but I really don't do this often, okay? This may or may not be like my third time in a row, but it doesn't matter because I don't wear my natural hair that much anyway, and we need to get it as flat as possible for the pony. So okay, so now we're all done blow drying, and I'm just gonna section off kind of like the perimeter of my head, just like kind of the edges where I want to hot comb and make it really straight. I'm also going to be using the hot comb throughout some of the sections as well, but I kind of want to just focus on the perimeters right now and get those first. So I'm just going to section off my head. Oh, I totally forgot about this stuff. So I have this that I should use. So I'm gonna put this on. Okay, so I'm finished straightening my hair and now it's finally time to get into this pony. So I've been thinking, like, do I want to do middle part or like a side part swoop? I kind of want to do side part, but I don't know. Middle part. Yeah. I kind of want to do side part, but I don't know. I can never really part my side parts correctly. I can't even part middle part correctly, honestly. All I have is this Got To Be glue. I have the Got To Be spray. And I also have some spritz that I'm going to be using. And we're going to be using some bobby pins. I don't have any black bobby pins, but it's okay. It's fine. We ain't going nowhere but in the house anyway. And I'm also going to be using some edge control. And I think I'm going to be using the edge booster for my edges. Okay, this is 36 inches and this one is 30 inches. I'm only going to use the 30-inch one because that's a bit much. And I got this from this online beauty supply store. I'll link it down below. Let's get into it. So I kind of wanted to do it this way with a needle and thread, but I mean, I feel like that would be doing too much because it totally works fine with a bobby pin. Like a needle and thread would be for like some added protection, safety, like, but I'm not going anywhere. Like, nobody should be going anywhere. We're in quarantine, y'all, so the bobby pins will do. Okay, so when we get to the end, we're gonna take piece, and this hair is kind of tingly, not gonna lie. We're gonna take a piece and we're gonna be wrapping this around. It says this hair, like, you can actually use heat on it and stuff. So, I don't know how much I got. Alright, so let's take this scarf off and see how laid we got. So, we're all laid. And I'm feeling it. I was scared to do my middle part because my forehead, but it looks totally fine. I wish I could stand up and, like, show you guys the full thing, but, like, I can't even do that. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun. I feel like I did pretty decent for my first time doing an extended ponytail. It's super long. I'm gonna put a picture or something as a thumbnail to show y'all how long it is. Yeah, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next, and all of that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video.